Welcome once again. Let's talk about Tectonic token. This coin have continued to impress me. Now I just have to monitor Tectonic and be monitoring Shiba Doge and then Teona Classic LUNC. Now Tectonic token, BTC saw an increase today. So I want to see what really happened with Tectonic token. Did they really benefit from the rise of Bitcoin today? Yes, Tectonic token actually hit over 176.46% increase in the trading volume, which means people rush, people start buying, people start investing on Tectonic. And in terms of price, yes, they hit about 2.60% increase in price. And I believe before the end of the day, they might be reaching about 2.80 to 3.10% increase in price. So good for Tectonic token, they're actually doing well. And one thing again is that 176.44%, almost hitting to 200% increase in the trading volume. That means people that must have traded this coin as of yesterday, that number almost tripled today. That shows the kind of level people are really buying Tectonic token, and people are also willing to buy if this coin keep on doing well. That shows you that we might even record 500% or 1000% increase in the trading volume of Tectonic token. Once there is a signal, once there is a sign of this coin hitting just 9% or 15 or 20%, then we are going to see wonders happening. Yes, if they can hit 176.44% with just an increase of 2.60, what happens by the time they hit 20% increase in price within, let's say, 24 hours or 48 hours? That means we should be talking about 1000% increase in the trading volume, which is going to result in a huge market cap with price increase, with a possibility of higher price increase. So Tectonic token for today, I'm happy. They are really doing well. They are really doing good. They are really trying their best to be at the top. They need to keep on pushing so that they can get to the top 200 or the top 300 crypto coins with the highest market cap. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, like this video, share the video. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next video. Please buy Tectonic token, but don't buy much. Just buy little coins of Tectonic token. It's a good coin if you ask me. It's my own personal opinion. So please, Tectonic token, you can just buy, even though it's just you want to invest 10, 50, 100, but do not invest much. Tectonic token is not the kind of coin you need to invest huge amount, okay?